tumigil sa discrimination ng mga may sakit na HIV o AIDS?
Well, marami talaga tayong mga documented and undocumented reports, no? Not only to traveling Filipinos and foreigners, even in the communities, meron pa rin yung mga discrimination. But so far, in the last 3 or 4 years or so, mukhang nag-lessen naman tong mga ganitong pangyayari sa ating airport, no? Especially for the returning Filipinos and returning OFWs. Siguro, meron lang mga kanya-kanyang dahilan yan. Unang-una, we recognize really that there needs to be really a continuous information and education campaigns, no? Not only to everyone really, to understand the rights of the people with HIV.
Pero Doc, hindi sila pinagbabawal na bumiyahe, di ba?
Ay, opo, maliwanag po yun sa ating implementing rules and regulations ng batas.
Okay, gayon, may nagkasala dito. May plano ba kayong kasuhan yung immigration o kung sino man nasa likod para malagay yung pangalan nitong si Dr. Omar dito sa
ito po ay isang usapin na kailangang pag-usapan ng maraming agencies, no, because there is this Philippine National AIDS Council, which is an organization really that looks into ensuring the implementation of these policies. But usually when maybe the Philippine National AIDS Council, and it is still through the leadership of Department of Health naman, will really issue a position on this matter.
Okay. Panawagan po sa mga nanonood ngayon na baka merong silang, alam nila na HIV carrier sila o full-blown AIDS na baka matakot lumantad dahil sa nangyari dito kay Mar. Doc, anong mensahe nyo sa kanila? Si Dr. Belimac. Doc, anong mensahe nyo sa mga may sakit na katulad nung kay Mar, no? Dahil baka pag napanood siya, matakot nga lumantad.
Yes. We will not say that the program is perfect in the country, no, because this is not a health issue lang, this is a social disease. We are really dealing with ignorance here, so we really need to inform everyone.
Edukasyon,
huwag natin talagang katakutan ang mga taong may HIV and AIDS, because this is not really a highly contagious, highly infectious disease, no? It is preventable.
Okay.
Department of Health and its partner agencies are really doing its best to address the stigma and discrimination, and we are setting up facilities where they can really access non-stigmatizing and more accepting health services.
Doc, salamat po. Good morning.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Gerald Belimac ng National AIDS and Sexually Transmitted Infection Program ng Department of Health. Okay, Bar, anong plano mo? Magsasampa ka ba ng kaso rito? Pwede ka naman tulungan daw ng DOH?
No, I'd like to go more seriously into the matter. But baka pwedeng, I don't know what the governmental procedures are. I'll probably have the Congress or Senate investigate it. Kasi yun lang mismo issue ng pagpapa-blacklist Napakadali pala yan na kapag may impluensya ka sa gobyerno, magsumbong ka lang na isang bagay na hindi na nila ikukorek.
Hindi nila iimbestigahan pa.
They would not bother. Otherwise, they would have... of my right of information and reply. Hindi ba basic human rights yan? Sabihan ka man lang kung anong kaso mo para alam mo, may paliwanag mo. Yun, nawala na kagad yun.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Dr. Marcelino Cavistani. Samantala, ayon po sa NCCA, kinalulungkot nila na nadadawit ang pangalan ng kanilang opisina sa nangyaring paghaharang ng mga tauhan ng Bureau of Immigration kay Ginoong Cavistani. Sinusubukan pa rin po namin kunin ang panig ni Malu Jacob, Executive Director ng NCCA, at pero out of town siya at hindi kami napaunlakan na maging guest dito sa ating talakayan. Yan po ang naging talakayan natin ngayong umaga. Magbabalik po ang unang hirit.
Masasarap ang inyong mga paboritong ulam kung may tamang asim ng Silver Swan sukang puti. Mabango, swabe sa lalamunan at hindi masangsang sa ilong. Silver Swan sukang puti. Tamang asim.
Welcome back to Unang Hirit, mga kapuso. Sigurado maraming girls ang kikiligin dyan sa ating mga bisita this morning. Kaya heto na sila to sing Miss Beautiful. Here's Adrian, Arkin, Caleb, Carlo, Hideaki, Kiko, MJ, and MM from the newest Pinoy boy band, Accelerate.
Baby, won't you tell me now?
kabahay. Naghahatid ng sakit na kamamatay. Puksain ang mga daga with Claret, rat, and mice killer. Patayan daga at bubuit sa isang kainan in pellet and wax block form mula sa Jardine Distribution. Available in all leading do-it-yourself stores. Anay, sumisira ng ating bahay. Siguraduhin no entry ang anay with SoilGuard odorless soil termiticide. Ang SoilGuard ay mabisang pumupuksa ng mga anay na nasa lupa. Kaya sa SoilGuard odorless soil termiticide, no entry ang
Unang hirit, bisyong totoo. Ang unang hirit, saya-saya.
Usapang reptile po tayo ngayong magkakasama natin si Joanna Corpus ng Zupix Safari. Good morning, Joanna.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Okay, ano itong hawak ko?
Ma'am, yan po yung tinatawag natin na blue tongue skink po or blue tongue lizard.
What, can you give me its characteristics? Ano yung,
Yung
kakaiba sa
kanilang,
kanya?
yung interesting characteristic po sa kanila, ma'am, is yung kanilang tongue po. Once they stick out their tongue, it means po they sense danger or arrival is approaching them.
Oh, okay. Baka nasa sense niya may danger ako sa kanya kasi tinidilaan lumalabas yung dila niya. Okay, isa namang kasama natin ay chameleon na sikat na because of the movie Tangled, si Pascal. So tell us about the chameleon.
Ang chameleon naman po, ma'am, interesting information about them is nagbabago po yung kulay ng kanilang balat kapag depende po sa temperature, ma'am. And kapag depende rin sa surroundings nila, ma'am.
So pwede bang alagaan ito ng mga bata, for example, sa bahay? As pets?
Basta po kailangan lang po nila ng permit kasi po exotic animals po yung mga yan.
Ah, talaga? Oh, for those who have permits naman, magkano naman ito mga to?
Yung pong blue tongue skink po kapag po lalaki, 15,000 pesos at pag babae naman po, 18,000 pesos.
How about chameleon?
500 to 800 po yung
Mas
price
scary.
range. Yes, ma'am.
So yung mga mag-aalaga lang dapat talaga those who with permit.
Yes,
yun na
ma'am.
yun.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, ano nga pala kinakain nila?
Ng chameleon po, insects po.
Ito naman.
Sila naman po, ma'am, omnivore po sila. So, pwede pong meat, pwede pong fruits and
Iba-iba.
flower. Yes, ma'am.
Mabilis pala alagaan to. Alright, maraming salamat, Joanna.
Thank you
From
very
Zupix
much
Safari.
po, Ms.
Thank you.
Lincho. Thank you po.
Alright, mga kapuso, babalik po agad ang unang hirit. You like the tongue? I like the tongue.
Sa unang hirit, ang saya-saya. Sa unang hirit, unang hirit, unang hirit.
Inobi is an international supplementary program present in more than 21 countries all over the world. It is the only program that provides basic calculation and critical thinking for math, and enhances listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a balanced way for English. But Inobi is more than just learning. Inobi also instills independence and confidence in kids. This March, experience Inobi through its 2-week free trial. Call the center near you and schedule a parent orientation from March 13 to 26 only. Inobi Math and English. It's more than just learning. Masasarap ang inyong mga paboritong ulam kung may tamang asim ng Silver Swan Sukang Puti.